and we got to walk up there. So the path goes all the way up there and backwards and forwards and up. And this is the up. I don't know where Min Min's gone, but there he is. I can just see him up there. And this is from that little bit we walked. So it started to rain a little bit. Big river in down there. Big mountains, forest, a little bit of agriculture there. I come round the bend and I see looks to be a small hydro electricity plant. See lots of swiftlets flying around. Oh, swallows. There's a small nest up in two corners of the building. And if you can see it, yeah, there's one in that corner, one in that corner. And that goes round, 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 around, 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 around. And that's it. Well, as Looney Tunes would say, folks, that's all, folks.